The 2026 Maserati Levante represents a bold evolution of the Italian automaker's first SUV, blending exhilarating performance with refined luxury and unmistakable Italian style. As the SUV market continues to expand, Maserati has responded with a redesigned Levante that pushes the boundaries of what a luxury performance SUV can offer. For 2026, the Levante is more aggressive, more technologically advanced, and more performance-driven than ever before, without losing the elegance and exclusivity that define the Maserati brand. Visually, the 2026 Levante boasts a refreshed and athletic appearance that reflects Maserati's contemporary design language. A sleeker front grille adorned with the iconic Trident logo is flanked by slimmer, sharper LED matrix headlights that deliver a piercing gaze. The sculpted hood lines, aerodynamic front bumper, and pronounced rear haunches give the SUV a more planted and muscular stance. At the rear, a redesigned taillight signature and quad exhaust outlets emphasize its sporty intentions, while optional 22-inch forged wheels add to its presence. The overall silhouette remains true to its coupe-like SUV proportions, but with a more modern and dynamic edge. Under the hood, the 2026 Levante continues to offer a range of powerful engine options tailored to different driving styles. The entry-level variants are expected to feature a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing upwards of 400 horsepower, while more potent trims like the Levante Trofeo or its successor boast a twin-turbo V8 pushing beyond 550 horsepower. Maserati has also introduced a high-performance hybrid powertrain option that delivers strong acceleration while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Regardless of the engine choice, the Levante provides sharp handling, responsive steering, and a well-balanced ride, thanks to an updated adaptive air suspension system and an intelligent all-wheel drive system that ensures grip in all conditions. Inside the cabin, the Levante's interior is a masterclass in Italian craftsmanship. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber are seamlessly integrated throughout the cabin. Maserati has also significantly upgraded its infotainment system for 2026. A new 14.5-inch curved touchscreen runs the latest Maserati Intelligent Assistant, MIA, offering a more intuitive and connected experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 21-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and an advanced heads-up display all elevate the in-cabin experience. Rear seat passengers benefit from more legroom and improved comfort features, including optional reclining seats and dedicated climate zones. Technologically, the Levante is packed with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, making it one of the most sophisticated Maserati models to date. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, automated parking, and a new semi-autonomous highway driving mode ensure safety without compromising the thrill of driving. A 360-degree camera system, night vision assist, and Maserati's predictive road sensing tech further enhance situational awareness. In terms of performance heritage, the Levante remains deeply rooted in Maserati's racing DNA. The exhaust note is still gloriously unmistakable, raw, refined, and uniquely Maserati. Even with the introduction of electrified models, the Levante preserves its emotional driving character, offering a level of engagement rarely found in luxury SUVs. The 2026 Maserati Levante is not just a refresh, it's a rebirth. It reasserts its place among top-tier luxury performance SUVs by combining breathtaking power, refined luxury, cutting-edge tech, and iconic Italian styling. For drivers seeking an SUV that offers both elegance and excitement, utility and soul, the new Levante delivers an uncompromising package that stands out in a crowded segment. Whether roaring down the highway or cruising through city streets, the Levante proves that Maserati's passion for performance and design is alive and well in the SUV era.